All right, guys, got a manual soap dispenser to check out today. This is like one of these soap dispensers that you see in hotels, and you're in the shower. You have your shower gel, you have your shampoo, you have your conditioner. How cool is having one of those in your own house? I do want to thank the company for sending this out to me so I can check it out for you guys. We're going to see what it's made out of. This is actually quite heavy. I was very surprised how heavy this box was. We're going to see the build quality, and then we're going to go into my actual shower, and you'll see how small my shower is, and you can see where we're storing all the soap dispensers on the top of the door frame, and things fall down all the time, and having something like this is a must have. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what is really heavy in this thing. Wow, I'm so surprised how heavy this was. All right, we have some screws and some drywall anchors, and it looks like a key. So we got two sets of those keys and drywall anchors. Got these little three little soft, I have a feeling these are double-sided adhesives. So this is another way to mount it to your shower. I'm not sure if there's more than that. I would think there would be at least 4, but I could be wrong. Really cool. All right, we're gonna take it out of here. Okay. All right, this is actually quite heavy for being all plastic. I am very surprised. Wow, I am impressed with this build quality. And inside the little container, you can look here, hopefully it'll focus, shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. So they're all labeled. And then there's a little warning that you have to kind of pressurize it with some water first. So you put water in here and you kind of pressurize it. So that's how you get it out. Just like the ones in hotel rooms, you just push it and it's all gonna come out at the bottom right down there. So really cool. And then on back, it kind of looks like there's another double-sided adhesive right here. Yep, that's already on here. So I'm not quite sure where you put these. Maybe one there, and one there. I'll have to look at the instructions, or do they go on top? I don't know. I have to check out the instructions. And then on the very top, you can see the keyhole slot. That way you can add new liquid in here. And it kind of looks like there's a tab right here that you can kind of pull and maybe disconnect from the back. See if we can do it. Yep, there we go. So that does disconnect. So if you want to take one of these off, you can definitely do so. So you have to push that little lever. And now we'll get one of these keys out. All right, let's open this up. So it's a weird shaped key. I'm sure it's not hard to pick open or anything like that. It's not like a safe or anything. Really easy to open up and has a good sized container. I'll definitely put on the screen how big each container is and how much liquid you can put in there. I'm sure they have that listed, but really cool. And what I love about having one of these now is because my shower is so small, I can't put like a shelving system in there or anything. And this just goes right onto the wall. I can mount it high, I can mount it low, make it go out of the way, and I don't have to worry about it. And I have all my shower gel and everything else right there. Really cool. I don't have to worry about bottles falling on me all the time like I have to right now. All right, let's snap this one back in. Oh, I wasn't going in high enough. So you have to go, let me see, do it this way. You have to go in that kind of high. See how high that is? And then slide it. And then it snaps in. Oop. Let's lock this cover back down. Lock it up. Because there's a couple things. Uh-oh. That's not good. I have to see if we can fix that. Like I said, this locking mechanism is not anything to write home about. It's kind of cheap, not very safe. I'm going to open up this other one because there's something else in here. Looks like a little hook with some double-sided adhesive right there. And there's two of them. There's another one right here. So I guess if you want to hang like what's those little spongy things? My wife has them. I forget what they're called. But there's 2 of those. And I'm going to see if I can fix this little lock thing. Okay, all fixed. Just needed a little super glue. Got it all up and running again. So you just want to be careful. Don't put too much pressure on that because these things are not indestructible. Boom, bad boom. We're all locked up again. So without further ado, I'm going to read the instructions and we're going to go install this. Let's do it. There's the instructions right there. So you just put the 3 pads on the bottom and then you peel this off and peel all these things off and then you can just stick it right on. Clean it, paste the stickers, paste the 3M tapes, install the dispenser, and you're good to go. Let's go do it. Now, install was super easy. You could mount it via screws if you wanted to drill, which I'm not about to drill into my shower. And then they provide double-sided adhesive, and there's a lot of it. So it has 1 big strip already on it, and then they have 3 smaller foam pad double-sided adhesives for the bottom, and that's more than enough because believe it or not, this thing can get pretty heavy. I mean, the unit itself is pretty heavy, but then with the soap and the shampoo and the conditioner and everything in there, all that liquid can definitely get kind of heavy. So having more than enough double-sided adhesive is a must-have. So as you can see here, you want to make sure the area is clean, and then you can put the adhesive on. And I was quite happy to see that it could hold everything. And I gave it about 24 hours just to solidify, make sure that adhesive stayed strong before I started putting any additional weight on it. Now, one minor con that I have with the labels is it says conditioner, shower gel, and shampoo, and that's it. You can't change it. I guess you could buy a label maker and redo it, but I wish it came with different labels that you can kind of just, stick on yourself. That would have been a really nice feature, but these are already labeled for you. But I can definitely put my own labels on in the near future. Now, the other con that I have with this is the locking mechanism on the top lids. That's just a piece of plastic. You don't even need the key. You can probably stick anything in there, a screwdriver, and it'll open up. Plus, it broke the first time that I did it. Honestly, I don't need any type of locking mechanism on there. If I did, I would definitely want something a lot more secure than this little piece of plastic that's super glued on. So I actually just kept them unlocked and I just put the covers on, just keep the water out, and I'm good to go. Now, once I filled these up with the liquids of choice, the shampoo was kind of thin, but then the shower gel and the conditioner were both kind of thick, and I was quite surprised how the dispenser actually handled the gel because some of these are kind of thick and I didn't notice any difficulty of getting it out at all. You do have to put a little bit of pressure when you push against it, but really it's not that hard, and it pumps out just the right amount. You might need a few pumps depending on how much you actually want, but I'm really happy to see that it doesn't leak, it doesn't clog up, and it can handle the thicker liquids. Also, like how each chamber can be removed from the backboard, I guess you would call it. So if you did want to take it off and clean it or change out the liquid, it would be easy to do. You don't have to actually remove it from your shower wall. You can just remove it from the back plate. It's just a little lever in the back of each one, and then it just pops up. You push up and pops right off. So really happy to see that. Best of all, I'm so happy I'm able to remove the bottles on top of my shower door. I don't have to worry about them falling down and breaking open and having a great big mess. Now it's all nice and organized right there in my shower. It's not in the way. Gotta love this. Definitely a 2 thumbs up. As long as you're okay not having that lock, it's kind of useless, but otherwise this thing is awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys on the next video.